morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Degelman Family Farm. I'm David, your host. Today, overnight we got a little bit of snow. It's kind of cool. We got a couple inches of snow. It's supposed to get up in the 40s, though, low 40s today, so it's all gonna melt. But it looks kind of pretty this morning. Sam and I are going to run, we've got to get, I don't know if I mentioned it, it's one of the other videos, but we've got a guy, local guy here with a small fabrication shop. He's going to custom fabricate a trailer for us for hauling around the wedding chairs. We've always hauled them in the past in got an enclosed snowmobile trailer, and it works. It holds the chairs, keeps them out of the weather and that. But it's kind of a hassle getting them in and out of that trailer. It's just not, it works, but it's not perfect. So actually we saw a picture of a trailer with arms, an open trailer, and then you can put a cover over the top that easy to get the chairs on and off, and we got a guy that's going to fabricate one for us. Sam and I got to run get the axle, or I'm sorry, not the axle, but the tires. The fabricator's got the axle, but I got to get the tires and wheels, the jack, and a few other things that we're going to need for that trailer. And he's going to be welding that up over the next few weeks here. We'll get some footage of that when that happens, but Sam and I are going to go get those parts today after I feed the chickens. Ricky's ready to help. There's the girls wondering where their food is. When we do get more snow, they don't like that snow. Even when it's only just an inch or two, they don't like walking on that snow. I'm not sure what that's all about. But it must feel, they don't like it on their feet or something. I'm not quite sure. So, yeah, today there's not enough to bother them, but when we do get more, they won't go outside at all. There, I got the girls fed. Go fire up the truck here. Foggy and hazy this morning. There comes Sam. Good thing you're not a better shot. GMC here, let her warm up. It's cold. You ain't put it up here, me. Dude. Well, that'll be kind of nice. Well, that'll be kind of nice. I just got a call from the tire shop. They're going to be out this morning here yet to put bio ballast in the tires. It's a non-corrosive ballast material. It's not the beet juice. It's, I don't know, to be honest, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's not the beet juice, and it's not corrosive like the chloride solution. So he's going to put that in the back tires of the tractor, and that'll happen while we're gone. So when we come back, we'll have a little ballast in the tires. Ricky. That'll be done. Well, we're back, everybody. We just got all the things we're gonna need for this custom trailer that guy's fabricating for us. We've got the PVC pipe is going to go on the rails that the chairs actually sit on and protect the chairs so they're not rubbing against the metal. We got the tires and the jack. What else did we get, Sam? We got an air filter for the furnace. That's pretty exciting. And while we were gone, the guy should have been out here from Billings Tire, Jamie, from Billings Tire, and put the ballast in the tires on the John Deere for us. And it looks like he's been here and gone. So that'll add, it should add about 300 pounds roughly of ballast to the back of the tractor, which is always good. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Degelman Farm. Tom and I'm David.
I'm Tom.
It's Tom. We're gonna go, we got a guy custom fabricating a trailer for us to haul the wedding chairs in the summertime. We tried to find something like this already made, but we were unable to, so we're gonna have a
Tough search.
Yeah, we got a guy here, local fabricator. He's making this custom trailer for us, so we're gonna go over there and check that out. It's not too far from the farm. We're gonna go check that out. He's just started a little bit yesterday, so he's not too far along in the process, but we'll probably have a couple videos for you showing this fabricating process. Yeah. But hang with us, we're gonna go over there now. See you in a bit.
Thanks.
Well, hey everybody, we're at Mac's shop here now. He's the one, this is Mac. He's fabricating this trailer for us. He's got part of the frame made up already. He's gonna do a little more work on it while we're here. And then we're gonna help him flip it and do some more of the welding. But this trailer is gonna haul the chairs for the weddings. Mac's gonna do some of the fabricating here, and we're gonna help him flip it. This trailer, when it's all done, it's gonna haul about 240, we figured, something like that. Roughly 240 of the chairs we use for the weddings. And it helps us get the chairs from the ceremony site to where we store them. It's just gonna be easier than how we're doing it now. It's gonna be easier for us, it's gonna be easier for the guests to move that stuff around. So Mac's gonna do some welding. I don't know how this welding shows up on video, but we're gonna find out here shortly. So thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Mac with Blue Phase Welding, and here we're making the world great again, one weld at a time.
about that, you know, did I ever even show you the big trailer we hauled everything in?
Yep.
Did I? Okay. That big enclosed trailer, you know, and that's my snowmobile trailer, and it sucks taking all this shit out of there, trying to pack it in the barn, and then, you know, and then in the summer put it all back in that big trailer. And I thought maybe when we get this done, we can figure out a way to haul the tables on a separate trailer, and maybe do something similar with some kind of, I don't know, we'd have to think about it. I don't even know what that would look like. Yeah, this can be so nice compared to how we're doing it. The people are gonna love it too. It's just easier.
This is something else that's pretty cool. I call these chain chairs. They wobble, they're not fixed in place. And it's kind of cool. They got a foot stand. And down here is an adjustable tightener so you can adjust the tension on them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, that is cool. I'm gonna have to buy one of them for the farm. We can put that by the bar.
Yeah, people get a kick out of that.
It'd be perfect on the farm.
Yeah.
Blue Phase Welding, check it out.